if you have been delaying a drone purchase, holding out slightly longer might be the smartest move. The upcoming DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be one of the most substantial mid-range updates in company history, packed with hardware leaps unseen before in the Air series. While official corporate announcements remain pending, compliance filings, regional flight app tracking, and supply chain prototypes offer a remarkably transparent view of what is ahead. The core talking point centers squarely on optical engineering. Multiple insider networks indicate DJI is heavily testing a dual-camera configuration featuring dual 1-inch CMOS sensors. Transitioning to two matched, large-format chips breaks past historical limitations, drastically improving low-light noise performance and dynamic range headroom. This setup allows operators to toggle fluidly between wide-angle and telephoto framing without sacrificing resolution, turning the platform into a formidable production tool for travel and commercial creators. Alternative reports suggest a hybrid 1-inch main sensor paired with a smaller telephoto option, keeping exact module dimensions fluid until final production lines lock. Video processing pipelines are slated for an extensive upgrade. Industry sources anticipate cleaner low-light outputs, advanced tone mapping, and tighter color science integration. If DJI implements expanded bitrate limits and robust color profiles like D-Log-M, the Air 4 will easily rival heavy-duty cinema setups while preserving the lightweight portability creators demand. Safety frameworks are also evolving. Prototype data points to an advanced omnidirectional sensing layout backed by enhanced LiDAR assistance, optimizing tracking accuracy and structural detection in low-light environments like dawn, dusk, or heavily shaded canopies. Active Track Intelligence receives a corresponding boost, allowing more dependable subject locking through complex environments. Aerodynamic refinements and cell optimization are projected to push flight endurance to roughly 38 to 40 minutes per battery, granting extended windows for complex aerial compositions. For telemetry, leaks point toward the introduction of the O4 Plus video transmission framework, with minor speculation touching on O5 technology, ensuring lower latency, higher resolution live feeds, and robust connection integrity in congested wireless zones. A fascinating contradiction surrounds the physical footprint of the aircraft. While regulatory flight logs point toward an ultra-lightweight sub-250G categorization, physical prototype leaks suggest a larger, heavy-duty frame akin to a scaled-down Mavic. Regarding retail expectations, standard configurations are projected to land between $899 and $999, with Fly More combos ranging from $1,199 to $1,399, depending on the final sensor and accessory loadout. Certification activity across global compliance databases indicates that the drone is entering its final developmental stages. Most insider projections target a commercial launch window in late 2026, Q4. The regional regulatory approvals could stretch wide availability into early 2027. If even a majority of these leaked enhancements materialize, the DJI Air 4 will redefine performance benchmarks for mid-range aerial platforms. What feature adjustments make you most eager to upgrade? Drop your thoughts below, hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the official hardware drop.